Hello, I'm Jeremy of the Computer Science Course Assistants, and today I'm going to be showing you how to use for loops in Python. And so you'll see we have two for loops set up for us right here. The top one has for x in range of 0 to 10 plus 1, and it increments 1 each time. And so what that means, the first number 0, it starts at 0, and the second one, it ends at 10, but with that plus 1, it ends at 11. Because normally if we just had the 10 there, it would stop short at 9 because it's counting 0. So 0 to 9 would be 10, but in this case, with the 11, it will stop at 10. And we have this print statement right here just for a blank space to kind of cut these up. And on this one down here, this one's going to count from 10 to 0, so it's going to be the reverse. So let's go ahead and take a look at this. And let me pull it up here, and you'll see it starts from 0 and counts up once each time until it hits 10. And then it does the complete reverse for this one, where it starts at 10 and it minuses 1 each time. So let's go ahead and change these. I'm going to go ahead and put this down to 10 here, and I'm going to put this to 0, so you'll see that, it stops short at 9, and on the reverse, when it counts down from 10, it stops short and only hits to 1, so we have to have those two in there. So minus 1 for this 0, and then plus 1 for this 10. Now let's go ahead and change the increment thing here, so we can put it to 2. And so now it's going to go up 2 each time, and for the other one, it's going to go down 2 each time. And we'll run it. And just like that, so each time it goes 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. And for the reverse, it goes down 2 each time. And now I'm going to go ahead and show you what it'll be like. See that the print statement's the space right here, so I'm going to go ahead and I'll take it out, just so I can show you what it would look like without it. And I'll run it. And see, it squishes them together. It doesn't really leave a lot of room, so we're just going to go ahead and put that back in there. I just wanted to show that right quick. And we'll run it one last time. And you'll see, yep, puts that space right back in there for us. And with that, this has been Jeremy. Thank you for watching.